Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 64 Chevrolet Impala SS. It is a white paint with a tan leather interior. Got a 4-speed in there and just an absolutely beautiful car. Great driver. Pop in here, take a little peek in. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Let's go take a look in the trunk real quick. Get the key situated. Awesome inside. The hood is just as cool. Definitely put some flair into this. Take a look inside the driver's seat real quick. The cluster's in great condition. It's got a newer radio there, some gauges. Awesome center console. Just a phenomenal car. Been fun to drive around the shop here. All right, we're gonna go ahead, look under the hood, take her for a spin, and get her on the hoist.
Check this out, Mar.
Sweet ride.
Same year my wife was born.
Yeah, 64.
I think she looks a little better than the car, but I'm pretty excited about this car though. Tachometer, Mark, it's a true SS numbers matching car. We'll verify all that with the block numbers and stuff. Odometer works, tachometer works. I just put gasoline in it. Gasoline works. Got a nice horn in it. The cool part about this car, Mark, is look at this SS stick shift console. Got the old Chevy flags with the Impala. Really kind of cool. So let's take her for a little ride here and see how she shifts, see how she goes down the road. Wow, isn't that cool?
Very smooth.
Nice tight steering wheel. You know, staying on the road nice and tight.
Wow, yeah.
So what I'm going to do, Mark, is just go ahead and spin her around. Blinkers, yep, blinkers work according to the indicator here. We'll get her on the hoist, and then people can be impressed at how clean the bottom is too.
Excellent. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, look at how smooth it is, isn't it?
Yeah, this is incredible.
Isn't it incredible? Nice little range on the downshift. Let's see how the turning radius is. Power steering works really good. Shift down in a second. Look at that. Just nice. Woo. Just old school, boy, I gotta tell you. Look at the old hot light, cold light, oil light, gen light. Isn't that pretty cool?
Oh, wow, yeah.
When I shut the car off when we get there, I'll let you take a little bit of a video of that. Show how cool that is.
Cool. Yeah, let's go throw it up on the lift.
Yep. All right, Mark. Thank you for the time on YouTube. Hey, if you guys need anything, it's Alan and Mark over at Skyway Classics. 734-323-9260.
Thank you. All right, got the Impala up here on the lift. Let's check out underneath. Absolutely great condition here. very well taken care of. We'll swing around back real quick to get a little bit better light. Excuse me. The pollen is bumping down here. But yes, everything is in great condition on this car. Very strong, great underbody. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Do a live FaceTime with you, take you for a drive, or if you're in the area, come stop by. We'd love to see you. All right, have a great day, everybody.